Back to this story now. There is a land fight underway in Colorado Springs. Arguments were heard this morning. Our Tori Mason was in court for those arguments. Tori, I understand opponents of the swap feel it takes away a cherished piece of land from the public. Can you further explain all this?
Well, Britt, Save Cheyenne is seeking an injunction against the city to stop the trade of strawberry fields to the Broadmoor. They say that decision made by the Colorado Springs City Council would impact historic parks across the country. Now, in that trade, the city will gain 360 acres from the Broadmoor. In exchange, the hotel would get strawberry fields, the 189-acre portion of North Cheyenne Canyon Park. The Broadmoor plans to use that land to build a picnic area and riding stable. Supporters of the trade argue that Strawberry Fields isn't well maintained by the city, and it would be better cared for under the Broadmoor. Save Cheyenne believes the city doesn't have the authority to give away or sell dedicated parkland paid for by voters without their consideration first.
The people of Colorado Springs in 1885 voted to impose a tax on themselves and to appropriate $5,000, a considerable sum of money, at the time to purchase this land as a park. No reason at law or equity that should be defeated by this conveyance to a private party.
We have all sorts of language that talks about how you're supposed to use a park and how things are not supposed to be done. But then there's this very broad language, provided always. Regardless of what we said before, the council is going to retain the authority to take any act, do anything for the improvement of the parks.
Now, Save Cheyenne didn't want to have to take this to court, but they had to do something to delay that trade. I'm told the court will issue their written opinion by the end of February. We're live in Denver. Tori Mason covering Colorado First.
Very fascinating. We'll follow it for people. Thank you, Tori, for